Chicken. When I tasted, I think the consistency of the meat, for me, was chicken.
Fiona, yes. Good luck.
Good luck.
For the next duo, MasterChef is something of a family reunion.
I'm Bronwyn Vale and Fiona is my sister. We haven't been together for over 20 years in the same city, so it's very special to be here together.
Perfect. Yep.
I'm feeling really proud because I'm walking up with 2 dishes that we've cooked together with what we think is food that they should like.
I actually wanted to serve it on a round plate with that potato, just because of that shape of that potato. That's why I went to the square. But I think it would have looked the same, Fiona, even if it'd been on a round one, actually.
What are you two on about?
Oh, we just got verbal diarrhea.
You're like a couple of clucky old hens. Stop talking
Well,
for
it's
2
right, we've got
seconds,
the
will you,
old
for
people,
God's
you
sake.
know. So it's not actually a hot crumble. It's just meant to be a melt in your mouth. You have to get the sherbet with it. You have to get the sherbet with it.
You guys want to come over here and eat it for me?
No, but we want you to experience it the way it should be experienced. Is it all right?
It's more than all right.
Oh, good.
I think it tastes fantastic. And quite frankly, I'll give you a yes right now. Well done. I think it's really good.
This food has texture, flavour, balance, harmony. You've got a really fine palate. And that's good enough for me. It's a yes from me.
Thank you.
Well, you get 3 yeses. The dessert is sensational. Really, really nice, ladies. Well done.
I'd pay money for that.
Yeah, so would I.
All we need now is some masking tape, no?
If you need a hand mic, just give us a yell.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Jo, and I work in IT.
I'm Mike, and I'm a photographer. Well, we've entered MasterChef. It's a challenge.
It's throwing ourselves out of our comfort zone. Well, throwing Mike out of his comfort zone.
Can you just have a quick taste?
The curry is tasting really bitter, and I'm not sure why.
Tastes a bit salty to me.
So we try to add a bit more sugar, a little bit more fish sauce, a bit more coconut cream.
That's better than what it was. Relief now. Quite simple, but hopefully the flavours will pull us through.
Hey,
Hi.
what do we got here?
It's a capilano curry with salmon.
Vanilla meringue with a lemon cream and a raspberry coulis.
I'm getting a bitterness,
I found it very
a
bitter.
slight sourness to it. There's no balance going
That's
on
what I
there.
found, that's
And
what I
I
found,
don't know
yeah.
what you've done to the salmon, but you've made it really muddied flavoured.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to say no right now.
Who's responsible for this?
Me.
Need more coulis and the cream's slightly split. I'm going to spare Simon the pain.
Yeah, okay.
Definitely not up to standard, unfortunately.
Right, thank you. It's just been a great day cooking in the MasterChef kitchen, and I can at least say I tried.
The next pair are pinning their hopes on some classic Kiwi kai.
Today we're cooking a boil up with bacon bones and puha. I'm TAIPARI Mahanga.
My name's Lily. We are first cousins, our mums are sisters.
Grew up here in Pātaua.
Cooking's just part of me.
One day I want to come back here and run my own restaurant, and hopefully Lily will be there to boss them around in the kitchen.
It'll taste nice. Coming from a place like this, you don't want to leave, but in order to catch that dream, you've got to do it.
Is the boil up the ultimate Kiwi feast?
Well, I hope to think so.
There's a lot of salt, and I think that kills it. That dessert's the best thing I've tasted.
Thank you.
It's delicious.
Wow. Blew me away. I could have fallen down and cried.
The boil up, the presentation's just so sort of old school. Sometimes you just have to bring it into the future a little bit and make it probably more appetising. The little dough boys are probably overworked a little bit, like golf balls. I could hit a hole in one with that.
All right, well, guys, here's where it's at for me. I'm sitting right on the fence. The standard has been super high today, but there are parts of what you did that are sensational. So for me, I'm a maybe.
There you go.
Thank you.
Cool, thank you.
And then we get blinking maybes. That was a killer. We got a maybe.
I would have rather a yes or a no. Welcome to my world.
There are now 3 duos left to compete for just 2 spots in the top 15.
From time to time, we rely on a time-honoured tradition to show us who should be continuing on into the next round.
Today you get to meet the taste test, which will determine which 2 couples will continue. Unfortunately, one of you will be leaving.
In front of you is a Thai seafood green curry.
Shelley cooks a lot of Thai food, so I was thinking, yes, Shelley's going to get all of these right.
It has a complex layering of flavours and, most importantly, 20 ingredients.
You will receive a point for every one you get right. Your time starts now.
Still to come, the battle for the final aprons. Who will savour sweet success and who will taste bitter defeat?
The journey ends here.
In front of you is a Thai seafood green curry. It has 20 different ingredients.
You will receive a point for every one you get right. Your time starts now.
At the MasterChef auditions, 3 duos are competing in a taste test for the last 2 places in the competition.
As soon as I looked in the pot, I could see things in there that I would have got that the other couples may not. I saw chopped up kaffir lime, fried shallots.
When I saw this, I was, oh my God. I never eat anything in my life with cream. So I said, okay, I'm gonna try. So it was very difficult for me.
I don't eat seafood. I just don't do it. So it was like, why this? Why seafood?
I'm recognising some ingredients in there. The scallops, the prawns.
2 minutes now to write your answers down.
We put cumin, fish, coconut cream.
15 seconds.
I could see a leaf there floating and I couldn't think of what it was called.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2.
And then we run out of time.
1. Pen down. Time's up.
Yeah, we had 13.
Okay, guys, give us your first ingredient.
Coconut cream,
Coconut cream in a Thai curry. Of course it's there.
prawns, scallops, fish, kaffir lime leaf, chilli, lemongrass, fried shallots, coriander, lime juice,
10 out of 10.
cashew nuts.
Do you put them in your one?
Sometimes.
Well, unfortunately, not today. You've come to a grinding halt, but you've still got 10 right.
Spring onion,
No spring onion. The wheels are falling off here, team. Come on.
garlic,
Correct.
ginger, onion, fish sauce, basil, and olive oil.
You've got 15 out of 20 right now. And that's where you'll stay because there's no olive oil. But well done. Fantastic score. You should be incredibly pleased with that.
Thank you.
We're pretty pleased to get 15, wow.
I was like, hallelujah.
TAIPARI and Lil, let's see what you can do, huh? What's your first ingredient?
Scallops.
Scallops are in.
Prawns.
Absolutely. 2 out of 2.
Bay leaf.
Thai green curry, bay leaf. Sorry, no bay leaf.
Coconut milk.
No, there is coconut cream.
Black pepper.
Yes, there was pepper.
Cream.
Well, there was coconut cream, but we can't accept cream.
Onions.
Yes to onions.
Lemon.
No to lemon.
Lemongrass. Cumin. Chili. Fish.
That's 8 correct. What's next?
That's it.
That's all you got down?
That's all we got down.
Trudy and Shelley, you know what that means? You cannot lose now. Put a smile on your dial.
Yay!
You're in. Well done.
Thank you.
Now we feel ready.
Yeah, I feel like one of the crew now instead of the outsiders, so it's good.
JANAINA, THIAGO, it's now down to you versus TAIPARI and Lil to see who will get the last place in the MasterChef kitchen. You need to better 8. What's your first one?
Water.
Water in a curry. Not this one.
Lemon.
No lemon. This is not starting well, guys.
No. Salt.
Sorry, there's no salt. It's 3 wrong.
Coconut cream.
Yes, well done.
Prawns. Scallop. Onion. Pepper.
5 correct.
Chicken.
When I tasted, I think the consistency of the meat for me was chicken.
I was actually really struggling not to
We were
wet
just
myself.
wetting ourselves.
Chicken and a seafood curry. What were you thinking?
It was a mistake, and that's fine.
Green curry.
You mean pre-made green curry?
Yes.
You're killing us here. Of course we're not using curry, we're making curry.
Garlic.
Yes, it's garlic.
Coriander. Fish.
We are accepting fish. You have levelled. How many more have you got on your list left?
2.
2 more ingredients left in your 20, and you just need to get 1 more right to stay in the MasterChef kitchen.
Oil.
Oil. There is no oil in the Thai seafood green curry. Right now, it's 8 all. What's the last ingredient on your list?
Cumin.
Yes, there is cumin.
Did it from nothing. Now we are top 15.
My dreams just started.
That's great. Yeah.
I'm sorry, TAIPARI and Lil. You know what that means?
Yes.
Your journey ends here. It's time to leave the MasterChef kitchen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The first to be eliminated from a challenge is an honour for me, you know. And I hope for the rest of the contestants that you guys will do well.
Congratulations, you have outcooked the competition to become our top 15.
Standing in this room are not just New Zealand's, but the world's first ever MasterChef Duo winners.
To stay here, you're going to have to draw on everything you have as a team. You'll need faith in each other. You'll need to commit fully. And you'll need to cook your hearts out. Are you ready to do that for us?